Okay, guys, this one composition one. Okay, the deadline today is 4th, so the deadline before Chinese New Year, 9th February. Okay. Okay, so I repeat, the deadline is on 9th February. Okay, submit before Chinese New Year. Okay, so you see that since we are learning about jobs, okay, so I want you to write, okay, the jobs that you believe, two jobs, you see that two jobs that you believe will not exist. exist 这个是存在，将来不存在了的。When you are older, okay, there are jobs that will not exist. 大概会有两份工作不见了。Okay, describe the jobs and explain why you believe they will not exist in the future. Okay, I think the first job you want it to disappear is teachers, right? So that you don't need to attend lesson. Whoa. Okay, what are you going to write? There are 5 paragraphs. You are going to write 5 paragraphs, but you don't need to be long. You don't need to write very long essay. Okay, you just need to write more than 150 words. Okay, you just need to write more than 150 words. Okay, and then you divide it into 5 paragraphs. You see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs. And then each paragraph only 30 words. Only 30 words. Okay, first paragraph, you are going to write introduction. 一个开头，一个简介。Okay, 一个开头，关于这个作文的开头。The introduction of this essay. Later on, I will show you example. I will show you example about this introduction. Okay, and then number 2, okay, you are going to describe the job. Okay, this one description 呢，这个是描述，描述那个工作。Describe the job that you think that you believe will not exist when you are older. 以后不会存在的工作。You are going to describe it. 该怎么形容它 ？You need to tell me what is a job. For example, you will say that I think teacher will not exist in the future. So you need to tell me what is this job. Teacher, doctor, whatever and so on. And then what is the job scope? You are going to tell me the job scope. Okay, job scope 这个是那个什么东西？工作范围。Just like you said that teachers, right? Okay, I think teacher will disappear in the future. Okay, teachers, they are the person who teach like children's knowledge, blah 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 blah. So you describe the job scope. 这个工作范围是做什么的 ？Okay, so this is in the second paragraph. And then the third paragraph, you are going to tell me reasons. 它的原因什么 ？Why you think that it will not exist in the future? Why? So you need to tell me. Okay, what else of reason you can tell me? You can tell me, what troubles do the job create? 它带来什么样的一个麻烦 ？Okay, so that teachers you can say that okay. Teachers, what troubles do the job create? Teachers bring a lot of homework to students, let's say. Okay, but I don't think you should write teacher. Teacher will be replaced. I don't know. Okay, you describe the troubles that the job create. 它带来什么样的一个麻烦 ？Okay, and then how will the job be replaced in the future? 怎样被取代？So this one you can say that. Okay, I think okay, blah 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 will be replaced by something else. 被一样东西取代。So these are the questions that you are going to answer to form your composition. And then 4 and 5, you can see that 4 and 5 actually is equal to paragraph 2 and 3. Because you are going to talk about the second job. 这里是第二份工作 the second job that you think will not exist. Okay, and then 2 and 3 at here, this is the first job. Okay, so guys, you see the next one. Okay, the next slide. This is the example. Okay, this is the example. Okay, only for the first 3 paragraphs. Just now I mentioned this one is an introduction, right? 这一个开头简介嘛。Okay, so normally we will start like that. Okay, I teach you certain special words at here. Okay, in this current epoch, okay, this word we pronounce it as epoch. 就是讲在现在这个时代 in this current epoch. 通常你开头会要讲一下这个时代怎么样so that you think that some jobs that will not exist. Some jobs that will not exist when you are older. What happened? Okay, 为什么会这样 Okay, in this current epoch, 通常你会写的是 in this current era. 在这个时代 Okay, technology has brought radical changes. 你要讲带来巨大的改变呢 Don't say that big changes. You can use this phrase radical changes. 巨大的改变 Okay, this is the introduction And then radical changes 这个叫巨大的改变Okay, so these kind of words you can use it in your essay in the first paragraph. Okay, technology has brought radical changes to our lives. 然后我麻烦你那个 our lives you see that L-I-F-E. Life, this is singular. And then how the plural, how do we write it plural? It's not at the S. Just like the knife, K-N-I-F-E. You will erase F-E and then you write K-N-I-V-E-S. Right now, this life, you also erase F-E, make it L-I-V-E-S. So that this is plural. This is plural as well. So it's not L-I-F-E-S. You erase F-E and then you add a V-E-S. Just like the knife. Okay, so you can say that many jobs have been replaced by machines. Okay, many jobs have been replaced by machines. So this is an introduction. 就你一开始讲一下现在的状况是怎样。And then in my opinion, you need to write this one. In my opinion, I think, okay, this is my example. You cannot write cashier anymore. You cannot write cashier anymore. Okay, but you can write driver because you see here, driver, I haven't written anything. So you can talk about driver. But cashier, sorry, no. Okay, cashier, no. Okay, cashier is my example. So you cannot copy my example. You need to think about other jobs. Driver, you can write because I haven't written anything. So I think cashier and driver will not exist when I'm older. 就不会存在这两个工作。Okay, so this is an introduction. Okay, you can see here the introduction. So just like the first paragraph, introduction. Okay, second paragraph, 第二段what are you going to talk about? What is the job? 你要告诉我什么工作 And then the job scope. So you need to start like that. Cashier is the first job. 第一个工作 I think that will be obsolete. Okay, I change a new word. obsolete. This is a very good word. You can use it. Obsolete. 这个是废弃的。就是第一个我觉得会被废弃的工作是什么 Okay, cashier is the first job. I think that will be obsolete in the future. If not, you are going to repeat will not exist. 你就一直重复 will not exist, will not exist. Actually, you can say that will disappear. 你也可以用这个 disappear. The jobs that you think will disappear in the future. 就是它不见掉。Or you use this better word, obsolete. Okay, will be obsolete in the future. 你就告诉我这个工作是什么了咯。And then you just write one more sentence. One more sentence to tell me what is the job scope. 你看这个what is the job scope? Okay, 它的工作范围是什么？工作是什么东西？ Okay, cashier is a person. Okay, this one you can Google it. Okay, this one you can Google it. Cashier. Okay, what is a cashier? Okay, so I let you see. Okay, how do you do so? Cashier. Okay, you can go to the dictionary. Okay, so normally I use this one, the Cambridge English. Normally I use this one, Cambridge English Dictionary. There, you type cashier and then dictionary will tell you what is cashier. A person whose job is to receive and pay out money in a shop, bank, restaurant, and etc. You see that? Like cashier is a person whose job is to receive and pay out money in a shop, bank, restaurant, and others. Okay, this one you can check the dictionary and tell me. Okay, 它工作范围是这样子。Okay, this is second paragraph. And then the third paragraph, what troubles do the job create? 它带来什么样的一个麻烦 So you start to tell me, people always need to queue up for a long time. Queue up 这个就排队嘛。Queue up for a long time to wait for cashier. To collect money, 他要收钱嘛。To collect money. So you see that when you go to shopping center, when you go to shopping center, normally on Saturday and Sunday, there will be a long queue. They are all waiting for cashier to collect money. 他要跟你拿钱 to collect money. Okay, and also give the change to customer. Give the change 这个是找钱。Give the change to customers. When I want to give the change to customers, it will be slower. The whole process will be slower. 还要跟你算，要找对，然后 customer, okay, you see that I give you the change. 我把钱给你I give you the change. And then you need to count again whether it's correct or not. Okay, the cashier counts for one time and then the customer need to check for another time. So it is slower. Okay, and I say it is very annoying. Okay, this is the troubles that the job create to our life. So we can talk about it. And it is very annoying. 好烦哦，这个 Queuing up. People, normally we don't like queue up. So it is very annoying. And then the next question is this one. How will the job be replaced in the future? 怎么样被取代 So you can see that in the future, cashier will be replaced. You need to use that passive. 被取代 will be replaced. Okay, buy 你可以写 buy the e-wallet. Okay, right now we have an e-wallet, Touch and Go e-wallet. What else 还有什么支付宝I can't remember. There are a lot. Okay, you can say that cashier will be replaced by the e-wallet. Or I write this one due to the advent of e-wallet. This is better words. Advent. Advent 这个是降临。So you can write down actually some of the vocab that you think you might use in your essay. Okay, so I think cashier will be replaced due to the advent of e-wallet. 就这样被取代了咯。You can say that the driver, okay, the driver can be replaced as well. Okay, by the driverless car. I think you know this one. Driverless car. 没有司机的车。Who knows? In the future, no more. We don't need driver. We have the driverless car. So the fourth paragraph, you talk about the second job, 第二个工作. Okay, and the fifth paragraph, you explain the troubles. Okay, you explain how it will be replaced, just like second and third paragraph.